Hello traders, welcome to Flash Trade 1. In this video we are going to see that the profit reinvestment calculator which is on our website, which is www.flashtrade1.com, works how. So let me move there. So before I explain this, first of all we'll see that how profit reinvestment strategy actually works. So I have a complete different video explaining that how profit reinvestment strategy works. In this video let me explain you in brief that how this profit reinvestment strategy works. So to be part of it you need to have the two MT4 account. This is the first MT4 account and this is the second MT4 account. And in first MT4 account will trade the base capital of the client with fixed lot size and fixed return. Here in this video I have taken the time period of 24 months or 2 years. Here we can decrease the time period or increase the time period as per the client's requirement. So here for 2 years on the base capital of 10,000 will trade with 0.1 lot size and 5% monthly return fix. And whatever profit will earn in this first MT4 account is going to be transferred into second MT4 account. In second MT4 account will trade with compounding lot size, and here the monthly return on the account, here in this video I have chosen 50%, but as per the client's choice, here the monthly return on second MT4 account can also be increased or decreased, and according to that the lot size is also going to be changed. Now so how this calculation works, let me show you. So in this calculation I have shown that $10,000 were deposited on client account with trading lot size of 0.1 with 5%, and return at the end of the month $500 is the return on the account. Now this $500 at the starting of second month is deposited on this second MT4 account, and this first MT4 account is kept trading with 0.1 lot size 5% return. Now during second month here will trade with 0.1 lot size 5% return. In second MT4 account will trade with 0.05 lot size with 50% return. So at the end of second month the profit on second MT4 account is going to be $250, while in the first MT4 account the total profit is going to be $1,000. How? The $500 of first month and $500 of the second month, so total $10,000 profit on the first MT4 account, and here $250 return. Now the profit of second month, which is $500, and this profit of first month, so this 500 is the base capital. Now to this base capital second month profit is going to be added, which is again $500, and plus this profit is going to be added, which is $250. So total during third month will trade here with 1250 in second MT4 account. So in this way for 12 months it is going to be repeat, and we'll see here that for the account of $10,000 the monthly earning after 2 years will be 490k. Here the gross profit and the net profit we have just counted here 70% return. So with 70% return this is going to be the profit, and monthly earning of the client is going to be this. So we'll see now that how this profit reinvestment strategy works. For this we'll take the example of $100 capital. So here I'm going to enter $100. Now recurring capital, what does the recurring capital means? The recurring capital means that this is, here we'll choose the time period for 2 years. Now recurring capital means that if client is adding, let's just say $50 to his account, to his base account, which is the first MT4 account, If he is adding $50, then the recurring capital will be the $50. If client is not adding any capital during during 2 years of time, and he is just trading in first MT4 account with $10,000, then we'll choose here the recurring capital to be 0. Now return on capital means the return on this first MT4 account will choose 5%, and return on profit monthly, it means that how much return you want on the profit every month. Here we have seen that here we have taken 50%, so I'll choose here 50%. And in this table also you can see this is the blog where the entire calculation has been shown as per the capital of 100, 10,000, 10,000, 100k. So here we have chosen the capital, return on capital, which is this on first MT4 account 5%, and return on profit, which is on second person 50%. And time period I've choose 2 years, and I will click submit over here. So you can see that the entire calculation has been displayed, as well as the results has been displayed where the gross profit on the account is 168,331, and you can see that here the gross profit is 168,331. Net profit if they with the accuracy of 70%, because here we have counted all months in profit, but in forex market getting profit thoroughly consistent in all months is not possible. So we have taken the accuracy of 70%, that maybe 30% in 30% of chances the accounts or the account can get into the loss too. So with 70% accuracy, here we have got the profit to be 117,831, which you can see that it is 117,831. After 24 months, the monthly earning of the client is going to be 4,900 if he invested 100 capital initially, and daily earning he will be getting is $161 on his or her account. So this is how this profit reinvestment calculator works. You can enter your base capital over here, recurring capital, how much return you want on your capital, how much return you want on your profit, and select the time and just click here the submit, and you will get the entire idea that how much profit you can earn if you join our mirror trading service with profit reinvestment strategy. So this is what here reinvestment calculator means. So if you have any query, then you can ask our executive. We'll meet in the next video. Hope this video was useful. Goodbye, take care, and have happy trading.